Hey fiancés, congratulations on your engagement and welcome to HelloPrenup, the first digital platform designed to save you time, money, and your sanity. I'm Julia Rogers, CEO, co-founder, and Chief Prenup Officer of HelloPrenup. We created this platform to help couples just like you get a prenup that's collaborative, affordable, and actually enjoyable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with your prenup, break down the 4-step process, and show you how to build a prenup that you're actually proud of. It takes 2 to sign a prenup, so if you haven't proposed the idea of this prenup just yet, now is the time to do it. First, invite your partner so that they can get their account set up as soon as possible. Once they say I do and create an account, it's time to move on to your questionnaire. Each of you will complete a questionnaire and include your thoughts, beliefs, and desires for your prenup on your own. That means you'll go through the questions and answer what matters to you in your marriage on your own account. Then your fiancé will do the same on their account. Once you've completed your answers, it's time to move on to step 3. This is where the 2 of you go over any discrepancies in your questionnaires. Our platform highlights where the 2 of you may have answered differently and guides you through a collaborative process of coming to a resolution. Perhaps you disagree on if your beach house should remain separate or become marital, also known as community property. Or you disagree on whether or not inheritance should be considered separate or joint marital property. No matter what it is, this is the opportunity for you to hash out whatever disagreements you may have, find resolutions, and proceed to the final step. Once you feel confident about the terms of your agreement, go ahead and check it out, read it carefully, print it, and have your signatures notarized. Once notarized, you can get super excited about finalizing that taco truck, those bridesmaids dresses, and that all-important honeymoon destination. And then stash this agreement somewhere safe. And no, you probably will never have to refer to it again. And if you ever need help with this process, tap my face in the right-hand corner and send us a message, and we'll get you the support you need as soon as possible. Thank you for choosing HelloPrenup, and congratulations on your engagement.